Kitty, there's nothing out there. Cat is being weird. What's for breakfast today? French toast. Meow. You were in there all day yesterday, Kitty. What's the deal, huh? Huh? You can tell me what the deal is, huh? Hello? You don't even know. It's lunchtime now. JJ wants me to be in the kitchen. I'm not hungry. Because again, today, it's going by pretty quick. Flush the toilet. Sometimes people forget to flush toilets. Alright. Let's do these hairs. Time to do the hair. You know, I wish the water bottle would stay warm with warm water. But it does not. Well, it's not, a thermal water bottle or a thermos water bottle. Oh, they even sell those? They even sell those where they're like, they'll keep the heat or the whatever temperature in the spray bottle. Do they sell those? I should look that up. I'm gonna look it up. I'm curious. I know they sell like the ones that do the continuous spray things. I just got this one at the Dollar Tree. Get my hair wet. Especially underneath. Spray, spray, spray. Alright, so lunchtime, what am I gonna do with lunch today? Dishes probably. Alright, well, whatever's. I'll see you later. I got a package in the mail. It has come to me in full fuzz in my hair. Come to me. There's fuzz in my hair. I don't know how that got there. See if I can put this on without stop recording. Will it work? Yes, but will it stay? Is the next question. Double chin, single chin. Double chin, single chin. Well, anyway, yes, it's staying. Okay, let's open it up. Open the box. What did I get? I know one thing is the greenies. Those tooth things for the dog. I remember that. And the other thing is, oh yeah. I got these lids. I'm hoping these silicone lids that you're gonna use for like to cover your bowls and stuff. Like you can see the packaging. Silicone lid things that'll cover your stuff. I'm gonna see if they work. And here's the box of the greenies. I got just this box with the two things because Amazon is trying to cut back on their packaging. My mom, however, has received a couple of packages that have been overboxed, if you will. Okay, how do I... Oh, dang. Okay, so I'm breaking down the box is what I'm doing. So, a while back, come on, Russ. A while back, Russ got signed up for Amazon Prime to use for the 2-day delivery because he needed something from Prime. That would be only Prime 2-day shipping or whatever. So he did the free trial thing that's like, you get like a month of 30 days or something. He forgot to discontinue it before the 30 days was up. So we have Prime currently. We've been having Prime since like near the beginning of the year, and we've used it, the Prime benefits. Like I'll listen to music, and okay, we get Prime Music. We don't have to worry about like if I say Alexa, play Bruno Mars or something. We don't have to, they'll play like, oh, they look like a little toothbrush. How cute is that? Here you go, JJ. Ah. Dental treats. Let's see, what is the claims here? It claims, what am I saying? No, okay, backtrack to, we have Prime. We've watched a total of like 2 movies, and we've done nothing else with it. I guess it would be if we don't utilize it very much. Delicious and nutritious, balanced recipe for healthy treats. Made with natural ingredients plus vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Are vitamins and minerals and nutrients not natural? Is that what they're saying? Fresh breath and makes mouths happy day after day. Easy to digest. Highly soluble ingredients. So there was this one that were called Minties or something like that. It was like a generic of greenies, and apparently they made dogs sick. They were selling them for like a couple bucks on Amazon, so I had to read the reviews, and a lot of them were make my dog sick or whatever. So I didn't get those. I got the greenies. You're gonna have to take your time chewing the whole thing. She's trying to swallow it whole. I think she just did. Oh my goodness, she swallowed it. Was that tasty at least? Her teeth are so bad. Oh, I really need the money to get her teeth fixed, and that would be awesome if I did have that. If I could have that. This is what I need. I was looking for my water bottle. Put it somewhere. And there it is. I found it. Where'd I put it? I put it there where I put it. You know when people say it's always in the last place you look? Obviously, because if it was in the first place you looked, you wouldn't be looking for it anymore. Okay, I gotta make some flavored water stuff. Sometimes I feel like people say things unnecessarily, like it's raining outside. I've talked about this before, I'm pretty sure, but like, of course it's raining outside. It can't be raining inside unless you have like a water sprinkler and the sprinkler system is broken. Because I remember in Harry Potter movie, I forget which one, I think it's one of the Deathly Hallows. Oops. Or something like that, I'm not sure. Anyway, it could be Order of the Phoenix. So what happens in the Harry Potter movie is that, dang, was it Ron, Hermione, and Harry they brew a potion, the Polyjuice potion. Then after having the Polyjuice potion made, they knock out a few people from the Ministry of Magic, or that work in the Ministry of Magic. They work in there, so they need to get in there so they can do something, and I can't remember what it is that they need to do. So they have to knock them out because they're gonna assume their identity, basically. So, you know, identity theft, awesome. And so what they do, they knock them out, they get their hairs, and they put it in the Polyjuice potion so that they can drink the potion and change into these people that they have their hairs of, you know, ouch. So they do that, and they go in there, and they get in that elevator to go wherever it is they're supposed to go. And they get in the elevator, and one of the people, I think Ron's character that he's turned into, his character, that person is supposed to make it stop raining in one of the people's offices. And so when they're in the elevator, the dude who's like, office it's raining in, he's apparently a superior of the Ron's character person, because he's like, it's still raining in my office. That's the only time you need to specify where it's raining. Because unless you live in the Harry Potter world, universe, whatever, you don't need to say it's raining it's raining outside. Just, it's raining. That's it. Just, it's raining. That's all you need to say. And people will continue to say that. Also, irregardless is not a word. Irregardless. Just regardless. No ear. Just regardless. Okay? People say that all the time. I remember I was sitting next to, back when I worked in the office, I was sitting next to somebody, but he would say that constantly. He would say, irregardless is not a word. Irregardless. Stop saying it. So, you know, that's what that is. So again, irregardless, not a word. Regardless is the only necessary thing to say. And it's raining. The end. That's it. It's raining. Anything else you want to get there? Right then. That's all. Regardless of what people do or do not say. I am not a grammatical person. I'm not an expert in grammar. As I just said, grammatical is not a word. Or correct in any form. It's pretty. I don't know why. Oh, sorry. Did I scare you there? She'd be meowing, meowing, meowing. I'm gonna go check her dish. Maybe. Because I'm pretty sure I fed her this morning. I gotta check something. Her food is full. She's got water. Food and water full. Not really sure. Meowing, meowing, meowing all morning. Alright, crazy cat. I guess she just likes to talk. Talk, talk, talk. That's okay. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:08 p.m.
Oh, crap. I gotta get back. Good evening. It's 6:15. I am outside. I need to mow the lawn, which might be the last time I mow the lawn. I don't know. There's like 2, maybe 3 weeks of growth here because Russ doesn't mow the lawn. And I was on vacation. So I'm just gonna mow what I can tonight and hopefully I can get it all. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. JJ! JJ. Did you poop on the floor? What the heck? JJ. JJ. Did you poop on the floor? Huh? JJ, look at me. Did you poop on the floor? You're a bad dog. It's a bad girl. You poop on the floor, JJ. Wrong. You go outside to mow the lawn, and what's your dog do? Poop on the floor. Poop on the floor. I didn't step on it, thankfully. Ugh. I couldn't finish mowing the lawn. Dog poops on the floor. Almost stepped in dog poop. Let me clean this up. So, as I was trying to say, I couldn't finish vacuuming, mowing the lawn because the battery died. Of course the battery died. Why wouldn't the battery die? You wait 3 weeks to mow the lawn, the battery's gonna die. Of course, granted, all last week I meant to do it. Couldn't because it had been raining all last week. This week is a good week. It's not supposed to rain, so I'll finish the lawn tomorrow, I guess. In the meantime, I don't know, I'm gonna go sit down. I just wanted to show you that is the sun. Good evening. It's 9:38. Let's see. I started watching, oh crap, I forgot the name of the show. It's a Netflix thing about some people going to Mars. I want to say it's like called Home or Gone or it's one word, but I can't remember. Away. That's what it is. Away. It's called Away. I watched the first episode because they're like 30-something. I don't know. They're like 50-something minutes, something like that. Between 30 and 50 minutes. I have no idea. I didn't look. I just watched the first episode. And it has this. I cannot remember their names. I suck at celebrity names. Sorry, but I just do. Anyway, so far so good. The dad works for Mission Control or NASA. Not Mission Control. Houston. He works for Houston. And the mom is an astronaut. The dad would have been an astronaut, but he has like some kind of medical thing, so he can't be an astronaut. NASA said no. So he's not an astronaut. And they have a daughter who's like a teenager of some kind. And so mission to Mars is the big thing. We're always going to Mars in these movies. TV shows, movies, whatever. Anyway, our mission to Mars. Mission to Mars. Mission to Mars. So, right. What is happening with the TV? Searching. Alright. yeah, so, we're just kind of on there. They made a pit stop on the moon. And while she's on the moon, the dad, or her husband, has a stroke. And so there's touch and go there for a moment. But he pulled through. And, ouch. Ingrown hair or pimple or something on my leg. He pulled through. She almost decided to scrub that mission, or she just went home and didn't go to Mars, but they're like, you have to go to Mars. The dad is, it's like, you're gonna go to Mars, you're going. So, they're on their way to Mars. The end of this show, this episode, was, the crew, 2 of the crew members, don't trust her because of an incident that happened, like a fire, so these 2 people are like, you are not a good commander, that's what they're thinking. And then there's a crew of 5 total people, so 4 others, and then the commander is the wife / mom of the guy who works for Mission Control, or Houston, or whatever. I don't know. Is it Mission Control? Probably. I'm not really sure. Either way, I'm going to bed. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. I thought today was Wednesday when I woke up, and I had to ask Russ. He's like, it's Tuesday. And I'm like, really? Thought it would at least be Wednesday. Nope, tomorrow's Wednesday. So I'll see you tomorrow. Have yourself a good night. Toodles.